Hello everyone. In this MPP user guide video, I will be describing how to clean up or modify a LinkedIn CAD background on multiple views at once. So the way to do this is, right now I'm just under project setup, floor plans, imported categories. I'm in the first floor, imported categories, floor plan. And what I want to do is get rid of this curb on the outside of the building. I don't want to see that. So what I'll do is I'll go to View Template, click on this, and the view template associated to this view is Imported Categories. And the only thing that this view template controls is the override import visibility graphics. And if you notice when you look at other view templates, that override import parameter is not checked. That's because we use this view template on all the other views to control the LinkCAD settings. So we want to get rid of the curb, and what we'll do is we'll go into our overrides and we will go to our CAD plan. In this case, this is our CAD plan, and I want to get rid of anything that has to do with the curb. Now, there are an awful lot of levels in almost every CAD plan you bring in, so finding the right levels may take some time. In this case, looks like these two levels are what is displaying the curb, so we'll turn those off. We hit OK. We hit OK again, and our curb is gone. Let's say now that I want to get rid of that curb from the background on every single view. What I can do is I can go into each individual view, go into each individual view's visibility graphics, and turn off those two levels underneath that imported CAD. But I don't want to do that because that takes a lot of time and it's prone to errors. What I'd like to do instead is turn the curb off on multiple views at once. So what I'll do is I'll go up to views up here, and I'll change the way the browser is organizing the views. I'll go to Import Categories View Updates, and this organizes the views by discipline. So if I go to Mechanical Floor Plans, you can see all the mechanical floor plans right here. And what I can do is I can go to View Templates, Apply Template Properties to Current View, go to my Imported Categories View Template, and apply these properties. Hit yes, hit OK. And now if I go into my HVAC working one, the curb is gone. Now, say for whatever reason later on down the road, I decide that I really need to show that curb. I can just follow the same process. I can go to my Imported Categories View Template, edit, go back to the same DWG, turn back on the curb levels, hit OK, hit OK again, select those views again, and apply that Imported Categories template, and boom, my curb is back. So by using view templates, and specifically the imported category template, in this manner, you can save yourself a lot of time when cleaning up LinkedIn CAD backgrounds, as they can have a lot of levels, and if you do it manually from view to view, that would likely take you quite a bit of time. So I recommend following this procedure, and it should save a lot of time on a lot of projects. One other thing I wanted to mention was I wanted to describe this query button right here. And what this button does is it will help you in figuring out what level a certain line will be on in one of your imported or linked CAD files. So I hit the query button, and now I'm curious as to what level this line is at right here. So I select that line and it tells me right here, okay, it's a line, doesn't have a block associated to it, it's on level A new canopy above. So if I were struggling with turning off my levels, I could use that button to help me figure out what line is on what level. So this button will help you speed up the process when you are turning things on and off in that imported categories view template.